Missa Chrome Finish, Dual Handle, Bathroom Sink Faucet. Product code, BS-BDHW09. Retail price $431, sale price, $308. The Missa Chrome Finish Faucet, that comes with a solid brass body. The faucet is deck mount and requires 3 holes for installation. This is one of the most trendiest finishes across decor styles in the bathroom. It is our goal to provide customer not only excellent products, but also leading lifestyle. Missa Chrome Finish Bathroom Sink Faucet details: type, sink faucet. Surface finish, chrome. Feature, thermostatic faucets, surface treatment, polished. Faucet mount, 3-hole. Installation type, deck mount. Number of handles, dual handles. Style, classic. Valve core material, brass. Brass body, 4 bathroom faucet, material, brass, zinc. Installing mode, 1-2 specification, 4 water pressure, 4-6 bar. Working temperature, 5-80 degrees Celsius. Usage, wash sink. Function, lavatory wear.